Hi friends, welcome back to SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in NX software. The base dimension is 150 by 50 and height is also 50 mm. Select new model. You can give the name here and also change the saved location. So I will save in my desktop. So already desktop is there. Okay. Select extrude, select plane, okay, select the rectangle, select center rectangle, give the dimension 150 tab 50 mm, finish sketch, extrude up to 50 mm, apply. Next there is a cutout both side. Select this select extrude, select this surface, select rectangle, give the dimension 30 by 30 mm. This is also 30. Finish sketch. Here subtract, reverse the direction, value is 50 mm, apply. Next select extrude, here click more, select mirror feature, select the feature, then select the mirror plane, apply. Next there is a V groove cutout. Select this surface, select extrude, select this surface, select line, create one V groove, give the dimension, this is 13 mm, this is also from here to here 30, degree is 90, give one more dimension to take this center, $75. That's it. Finish sketch, reverse the direction, dimension we required 50 mm, apply. Next there is a 2 holes, dia 6.6 both side, dimension is 12 and 25. Select hole, select the surface, give the dimensions, this is 25, this is 12, this is 150 minus 24, this is also 25. Finish sketch. We want only simple hole, diameter is 6.6. Think 6.6. Through body, apply. So we can assign the material here or change the color. So go to edit, object display, select the entire body. Okay, so color we can change here as per the requirements. Okay. So chamfer is missing. Select chamfer, give 3 mm, select the 4 edges. Okay. And also we can assign material here, friends. Go with tools, materials, assign materials. So we can assign any material. I will go with aluminum 6061. Okay. So that's it, friend, today's session. I hope you like this video, and also requesting you once again, please do subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thanks for watching this session, friends.